Hello, I'm Michael, and today I will be reviewing a new high-definition camcorder from Samsung. The recent trend in the market for portable camcorders has been for full HD camcorders with solid type storage. As HD TV has become more popular, camcorders are beginning to have high-definition resolutions. If you think that the early full HD camcorders were very expensive and very big, then the new portable full HD camcorder is a very innovative development. The Samsung SC-HMX20, which I will be reviewing today, is a full HD camcorder with a flash memory of 8 GB. Shall we see what the camcorder looks like from the outside first? Unlike most camcorders, its appearance is cool. The HMX20 has a professional design and its weight is distributed evenly, so it gives a good grip for shooting. The HMX20 has adopted a swivel grip, so we can shoot at any angle we want comfortably. For an eye-level shot, you can shoot by holding the camera like this. For a low-angle shot, we can swivel and hold the camera like this. So you don't even have to kneel. Oh, shooting yourself is also possible. I feel like I can easily grip the device. As you can see, all the buttons are in convenient places for operating the camcorder. I can also shoot using only my thumb and forefinger. It is easy to operate because it uses a touchpad that is 2.7 inches wide. In the case of left-hand operation, you can regulate zooming or record shows with buttons that are located in the panel. By using the cradle that is provided, you can recharge easily and connect to a PC or a TV. When you connect it to a TV, you can connect it in various ways, including HDMI, so it doesn't lose video quality, and it can also be connected with component AV and S video. HMX20 is small, but it has a lot of functions. But that doesn't mean that it's difficult to use. When you are curious about the remaining battery power and memory, even when the power is off, you can check it by pressing the I check button. With the Easy Q mode for beginners, all functions can be used on auto mode. The shooting functions like focus, exposure, the establishment of lighting, and EIS, which may be complicated to use, are regulated by shooting targets and environments automatically, so you can shoot easily. By using the various additional functions that have been included, extension, macro shooting, and high-speed capture are possible as well. In the case of macro, the shooting is possible when you come close to the subject. With the high-speed capture, you can shoot 300 frames per second, so you can get a clear picture with impact. Also, while you are on set, you can cut or delete scenes, and you can also put some scenes together. camera modes that are supported have a resolution of 8 megapixels, and there's also a pop-up flash. If the memory is not enough, you can extend it by using an SC-HMX card or an MMC Plus card. I think the Samsung HMX20 is excellent for those beginning with HD camcorders. By using the EasyQ mode, the simple editing functions, and AnyNet, beginners may be able to use this very easily. However, the functions that allow the passive regulation of the focus, the modification of the shutter speed, and the various resolutions supported also make this camcorder excellent for experts as well. I'm Michael. Thank you.